The eco-friendly paper straws are typically made from food-grade paper, such as bamboo or sugarcane, which is biodegradable and compostable. The paper is sourced from sustainable and renewable resources. The paper is processed into thin strips and then rolled into cylindrical shapes, with adhesive used to seal the seam. The cylindrical paper is then cut into individual straw lengths, typically around 7 to 8 inches long. The formed paper straws are inspected for any defects or imperfections. Any straws that do not meet the quality standards are rejected. The paper straws are then packaged in eco-friendly and biodegradable packaging, ready to be distributed to customers.